Chapter 20. Be a leader by helping others. A great lean leader doesn't just focus on themselves, they focus on helping everyone on their team do better. Being a leader in lean is about making things easier for others, teaching and guiding everyone to improve together. This type of leader is called a servant leader because they serve their team by supporting and helping them. Sometimes people might say, "My boss doesn't understand lean." But that's okay because real lean leaders start by improving themselves and showing others how it's done. When we keep making things better, others will notice and they'll want to learn too. Lean leaders are like team captains who cheer everyone on and help them find ways to improve. They make work fun and help everyone feel proud of what they're doing. By focusing on others and making things easier, lean leaders make the whole team better and stronger. Try it out. Next time you work with friends or classmates, see if you can help someone make a task easier. Being a leader means helping others succeed. The one thing. Great leaders lift others up. True leaders care about their team and cheer everyone on. They make work fun and help others do their best by showing kindness and support. Win with lean. Look for ways to encourage a friend today. Help them with something or tell them they're doing a great job. Being a leader is all about lifting others up. The lean takeaway. In Chapter 20, we learned that lean leaders help others get better. We learned that being a great leader means making things easier for your team and cheering them on. When you lift others up, everyone grows stronger together. Chapter 1 taught us the lean basics. Chapter 2 taught us about spotting waste. Chapter 3 taught us to focus on one task. Chapter 4 helped us in understanding waste. Chapter 5 taught us to fix small problems. Chapter 6 showed us the importance of growing together. Chapter 7 showed us the power of 3S. Chapter 8 showed us the importance of teamwork in lean. Chapter 9 taught us the importance of daily improvements. Chapter 10 taught us to keep spaces clean. Chapter 11 taught us to start with simple things. Chapter 12 taught us to keep improving. Chapter 13 showed us that we should continue to learn new things. Chapter 14 taught us the 3 key points in lean. Chapter 15 taught us to always ask why. Chapter 16 taught us that lean takes practice. Chapter 17 showed us why it is important to organize your things. Chapter 18 taught us that teamwork makes everything better. Chapter 19 taught us to cut out the extra steps. Chapter 20 taught us to help others get better. Now let's go to Chapter 21.